So the last one we're going to go over today that's going to be in the escape room is raising to the first or zero power. And so if you're raising something to the zero power, let's say you're raising 7 to the zero power, that answer is 1. No matter what I put inside here, if I'm raising it to the zero power, it is always 1. I could put the craziest equation in that spot, or even something that you may never have seen, and I raise it to the zero power. That answer is 1. Now, let's say, instead of to the zero power, I am raising it to the first power. It is itself. No matter what's in there before, I raise it to the first power, it stays itself.